I'm Dawn, I'm Harry James's mum. Harry had just passed away. The hospital had called time, and then myself and his dad were left for a couple of minutes, and although we'd never discussed organ donation, if it was a conversation that we'd have had whilst he was still here, I do believe that he would have wanted to. And since Harry, we've had the same conversation with his younger brother and sister, and it's something that they want to do as well. Harry was cheeky, he was a cheeky chappie. He loved his Star Wars. Everything he wore was Star Wars. We even buried him in his Star Wars outfit. He was always helping, he was always kind. He'd be the first person to give you a cuddle if you was upset. So I think Harry would be happy that he has helped those other people, and that those other people can continue now and have more years with their families, even continue to have other families of their own. So he's living on. Since Harry's passed away, the opportunity has arose to speak to people about being on the organ donation list, and every time I'd say go ahead and do it. Sadly, Harry couldn't continue with his life, but he's helped at least 3 other people to continue with their life. He was just brilliant. He was.